Hello friends, and welcome back to the BrushFalls Studio YouTube channel. I am Larry and I'm the painting man today, and today we're going to have an experiment here. We're trying some new pouring medium out. Our new pouring medium is 1 part heavy gloss gel, 4 parts of Floetrol, and then some water to get to consistency in the paint. And I'll put my colors on the screen, somewhere on the screen. Usually I put it on the canvas. With that, we're going to have a 12 by 12 canvas today. I'm not going to put a base coat down. I am going to layer my cup, and we'll show you that as we go. Let's get started. My beautiful wife, Lori, is going to come around with her last creation. It was on the short video, which was released prior to this one. She's going to show you the dry results. It's been freshly varnished. It is beautiful. Can't wait for you to see this.
Hi, guys. How are you? So, I want to show you. This is varnish number 1. 1 varnish. I usually do 2 to 3. I want to show you. It was on my short. This was a quick one. Lots of lacing. Lots of heavy contrast and negative space on this. Cells galore. So, what do you think? I'm just really proud of this one. This is beautiful.
I like it.
I did an Amsterdam white, some dark blue, reds, golds, yellows, and then the black base coat. So,
okay, here's my cup. I have 5 colors to go in here today. And I am going to start with this one.
can you pull your hand out more? Pull it towards me. Yeah, I can't see for diddly.
So this painting held the striping from the rings very, very, very well. And you're starting to see cells popping all over the place. And the colors didn't mix a lot, but they did a little bit and created some fun effects. This is a winner in my book. What do you think, my wife?
I like how it holds. I like everything. It's like a wave. You know, oh, there goes. Ugh, sorry about that. It ebb and flows. It's pretty. It's pretty.
It's really pretty. I'm very happy with
And
this.
the wine color back here, all throughout this side of the canvas, is so pretty. And then right in the middle, of course, off the orange. So, just beautiful.
So tell me what you think about this painting and leave it in the comments section. And if you would be so kind, like and subscribe. That helps our small channel out tremendously. Thanks again for coming by to watch and have fun. Bye.